channel. I'm Deegan.
I'm Scarlett. And I'm Evie.
Today we'll be showing you how to use the LED follow spotlight 120 ST.
And during that we'll be showing you how to use all the buttons and switches.
Okay, let's get started.
First you plug the power cord into the wall and turn on the switch. And then you go over to the power switch and turn that on.
The first thing we are going to learn about is the brightness. You press the min button to go down and the max button to go up.
Another thing to learn about is the blackout button. The blackout button helps to turn off the light automatically when needed.
And then the on button is so you can turn it back on quicker without having to waste a lot of time.
Next we are going to learn about focus and size buttons.
To focus on someone, you have to use the right hand sliders to change the different shapes.
And then you need to use the iris on the top of the spotlight to change the size of the shape.
Next thing we are going to teach you is about the colours.
We have put the idea together to show you some little ideas to go with a certain scenario.
So as you can see, there's some buttons and colours on the back of the spotlight.
This is red, which is suitable for a murder mystery scene. Second is cyan, which is suitable for an underwater scene. Third is green, suitable for a nice jungle theme.
Next we have orange, best for a sun and a hot day.
So hot!
We also have magenta, best for a birthday party. In our opinion.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Deegan! Happy birthday to you!
Next we have yellow for a beach or a desert.
Hey, you want to go swimming? Sure. Okay. So we've got the two whites, a warm white and a cool white. A warm white can be for flashbacks.
Hey, you remember that time at my birthday party when you ate all the cake? Yeah, I never forgive you for that. I'll never forgive you.
And next we've got the cool white for a snow fight. Lastly, you have to turn the big red button off, or switch, and turn the switch off at the wall and unplug it.
Thanks for
Thanks for
watching.
watching!